In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update PHP version in WordPress. We'll walk through the WordPress.com interface to locate a plugin that helps you manage PHP-related settings, review its details, and start the setup flow with your existing domain. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along confidently. Begin by signing into your WordPress.com account and heading to the Sites section. This is where you can choose the site you want to work with. Once you're in, go to the Plugins area. You'll see a search field at the top. Type PHP into that search box to filter the results. You're looking for the result that says it makes it possible to override PHP settings. That plugin is called Custom PHP Settings, and it's designed to help you adjust certain PHP configuration values within your WordPress environment. Click into that plugin result to open its details page. On the details page, select Custom PHP Settings to view everything in one place. Take a moment to review the Description tab. This gives you a high-level overview of what the plugin can and cannot do, along with any notable requirements or limitations. Next, check the Installation tab for what to expect during setup and any prerequisites. Then look at the Changelog tab to see recent updates and compatibility notes. It's always helpful to know the plugin is actively maintained. Finally, open the FAQs tab to read answers to common questions. This section often clarifies typical use cases and known conflicts. When you're comfortable with the information, click Get Started. You'll be taken into a guided setup that connects the plugin to a site. If you already have your domain and just want to continue with your existing site, choose the option that says Already have a domain? That path keeps your current domain in place. Follow the prompts and click Continue to proceed through the flow. A quick note for clarity. Changing the underlying PHP version itself is typically controlled by your hosting provider. On WordPress.com, PHP versions are managed for you to ensure performance and security. The Custom PHP Settings plugin helps you adjust certain PHP configuration values where allowed, which can resolve compatibility issues or fine-tune resource limits. Before making changes, consider theme and plugin compatibility and review documentation. If you have access to a staging environment, that's a safe place to test adjustments. That's it. You navigated to Plugins, searched for PHP, opened Custom PHP Settings, reviewed Description, Installation, Changelog, and FAQs, then selected Get Started, chose your existing domain, and continued. Thanks for watching.